Hi, I'm Maggie Burns, and once again, I am not an expert drop shipper. I'm still learning. I haven't made $1 million. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just in the process of building my own brand, and a lot of my friends have been asking me what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. They don't understand the idea of drop shipping or e-commerce, so I figured while I'm doing this, I might as well make little tutorials so you guys can learn with me if you want. So if you enjoy my videos and my content, please like and subscribe so I can monetize. And yeah, so this video is going to be about creating a collection and importing products from AliExpress. I went ahead and found an item already that I really like. It's a zodiac. I don't really know what you would consider it. It's an unopened freshwater oyster that has a pearl inside, and it comes with a zodiac pearl cage. I've seen a lot of videos on Facebook of women selling these oysters and selling pearl cages. So I figured this would probably be a great product to sell on my store. Okay, so we're going to go into Shopify. We're going to go under products. We're going to go to collections. We're going to hit the top right corner, new collection. And we're going to call this the item of the week. And then I'm going to go scroll back down to the bottom. I'm going to figure out everything else later when we add a picture. And I'm going to do product tag is equal to item of the week. That's simple. Then I'm going to hit save. Okay, so now once that's saved, we're going to hop over to AliExpress and pull up the product that we want to pull into our collection. And here we go. I found it in this store for $4.49 with free shipping. I'm just going to scroll through and take a look at their pictures. And then when I get all the way to the bottom, I'm going to check and see if there's any other vendors that are selling the same product for cheaper. Cheaper isn't necessarily better. You kind of have to gauge how an item will do based on the customer recommendations. What's good about AliExpress is that there's so many drop shippers that use this site. They do kind of leave a trail of evidence behind. So you'll see like this item, this listing in particular doesn't have all 5 stars. It has good reviews, but not great reviews. There's a few that say the packaging was wrinkled and a few other negative things. So I end up finding another one that's $1 cheaper and happens to have way better reviews. So I end up going with this one to drop ship. And as you can see, it's exactly the same item, just coming from a different manufacturer. And usually how it goes is whichever listing has the most sales, for the most part, would be the one that you choose because other drop shippers are probably using that listing as well. And if they've kept using it, then, you know, it's probably a good one. Also, if you plan on drop shipping an item, always reach out to the vendor, send a message, and make sure that they allow drop shipping because there are very few, but there are some vendors on AliExpress that do not like drop shippers, and they will send their business card and invoice in the package, even if you tell them it's drop shipped. You always ask first. So now we're going to go down to the bottom right corner and import into Oberlo. Now I'm back in my Oberlo dashboard. I'm going to go to my import list. And I've already done research on this item, and the median price that this is for sale on other dropship sites is around $12.99. The most expensive one I found was $16.99, And then I found one on Amazon for $24.99, but I'm going to stick with that $12.99. So here we go back to the tags. I called it item of the week. So I'm going to pull that up. So that will go right into my collection. That's pretty much the most of this. So now this title is way too long than it came with, so I'm going to name it something else. Now that I'm voicing over this image that I have recorded, I actually spelled DIY DUI. So I'm just realizing now that on my website it says Zodiac DUI Freshwater Pearl. So I'm going to have to go back and change that, but that's really funny. But as long as it's in there already, it's pretty easy. So I'm going to put this in item of the week, and then it'll also pop into my jewelry category. I'm going to go in and set a new value of $12.99, and then I'm going to apply, and then I'm going to set my compare at price to $16.99 just because that sounds pretty good, and I had found one for $16.99, so it is a good comparison. Now I'm just going to go back and find pictures with a white background because once again my website has a stark white background, and I feel like it makes the product pop. So when I'm done with the pictures, I'm not even really going to bother with the description because I didn't really do enough research at this point. I do go back and find some more information about this product, and I keep it in my notes so I can copy and paste later. So I've imported it to my store. Now we're going back to Shopify. I'm going to go back to my collections, into item. I'm logging back into Lucy's Inferno. And scrolling down my collection to open the item. Now I'm going to change that little boo-boo I made with DUI into DIY and copy and paste this item description. Looks good. I'm going to save it. And now I'm going to go view it on my store. Zodiac DIY Freshwater Pearl Necklace. Looks pretty good. And I'm going to add it to my cart just for fun. So that's it for this video. The next video I do is about micro influencer marketing. So if you're interested in that, like and subscribe.